Hey everybody, Kristian Merwin, inventor of the Nectar Collector, here today to talk to you about the Honeybird Pro. This is our first Nectar Collector featuring Infinity Tech, which is a modular design I came up with about a year ago that allows for really easy cleaning, upgrading, and changing out of parts. So in the kit you get the Honeybird Pro, and you get 2 stinger tips. Here's the tips. Now I want to show you these tips because they are definitely a breakthrough in design. There's no glue on these things. They're just a piece of quartz and a collar with some O-rings in it. So that makes for really easy cleaning and replacement of your tips. These replacement quartz pieces are pretty inexpensive, and so it's really easy to always have a fresh tip when you're using this thing. All right, these are all water-cooled, spill-proof devices, so I'll show you how to get the water in. With this, it's really easy. You just dump it in, so it's about up to there on the spill guard, and then thread your collar on here. And now notice the little hole in the diffuser is not lining up with the thumb catch. And you want that to line up so you get maximum water filtration. So, you know, sometimes it takes a couple tries, but with a little practice you can sort of eyeball where that needs to line up. And there we go. Now the hole is right on the bottom. So when I flip this over, there you go. You get really good bubble action out of that. The tip just threads on like so. And then, of course, to take a dab, you're just going to heat the tip and dip and sip. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.